What's up, Soul Squad? Happy TGIF. It is Friday, and I'm showing you what I cooked on Thursday night for my family. We just doing some, these are not even rotisserie, these are whole chickens. I just had some whole chickens here that I'm going to season, put in the oven. I'm going to show you guys how I make my candy yams, the fresh ones. I think I showed you 2 or 3 different ways to do canned yams, but I'm showing how I do my fresh ones. You gotta peel them and dice them. So before we get started, a big welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm getting so many more subscribers to my channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for liking what you see, and I hope you've been going through the videos and enjoying yourself, getting some good recipes. Remember, the link to my flour is below in the description. You can get your flour. The holidays is coming, but yeah, these are 2 whole chickens. They're not rotisserie, they're just regular whole chickens that I cleaned and dried off and everything. I'm gonna take some olive oil, and you don't have to use olive oil. You could use some this will get the skin crispy. You could use some melted butter, but I'm going in with some olive oil, and this is to get the skin crispy. They help the seasoning stick to it. Yes. Take my brush and just brush it all up. I just want to make sure I get that olive oil all over the skin. Again, it'll help that all your seasoning stick to it. Good flavor. Make it browned up nice and pretty. Make it nice and crispy. Again, you can use melted butter for this part. Let's take that right there. Now, seasons I'm using, it's up to you guys. I'm using a little bit of seasoning salt. Remember, it's your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. If these not the seasons that you use, hey, whatever you use, I'm just showing you guys how I feed my family, and hopefully you guys could take some of these recipes and feed your family. Got some onion powder. It's hot outside. It's hot. It's a long way from being hot, guys. It is chilly. The fall is really showing its colors here in DC. You hear me? Do you hear me now? So I'm just seasoning this bird up. I'm inside. I want so much flavor on the skin and on this chicken. Then I'm going in with some garlic powder. And if you use any type of season your bird. I can't tell you how much to put on here, but you want enough. You don't want no bland food. You want your family to be like, oh my God, that was good. Yes. My family be like that all the time. And some pepper. White pepper, black pepper, whatever type of pepper that you want. Now this is your food, your house, your family. You know what they eat. And I'm going to go in this with a little bit of vegetable oil. I always say vegetable oil. Chicken broth. This is a bacon sheet pan. I'm not going to put a whole lot because chicken has its own water. Most definitely. But with the water that's coming off the chicken and mixed with the broth I put down, it's going to be nice. I'm going to put this in the oven at 350. Let it bake. Come back, guys. While this is cooking, I'm going to show you how I do my yams. So basically, for Thursday night dinner, we have my yams, baked chicken, and broccoli and cheese. And I'll be back. These going in the oven, 350. Okay, guys. So, I have my yams here on the stove. Again, I showed you guys how I cook canned yams 3 different ways, by mashing them on top of the stove, and how I make my candy syrup form. Look, I started doing canned yams when I started being the head person for all the holidays, helping my mom, everybody when it comes to our house for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, and you know, going to the store, getting those yams and boiling them and peeling them and dicing them. I knew it had to be something better than that. So that's why I was showing you guys the different versions of canned yams, how even though they're canned yams, they still come out amazing. But I never showed you how I do my whole sweet potatoes. So basically, I peeled the skin off of them and I diced them just like this, like potato chips, but thicker. Okay, this is 4 yams in here. And when I tell you I had a hard time doing this, peeling yams and dicing them like this, while they still hard, it's a tough job. You need a serrated knife. A serrated knife is something like a bread knife. That's what I had to use once I peeled the skin off. I had to use like a serrated knife to really cut them. So guys, you got to be really, really careful when doing that. But with that being said, let's get these yams started, sweet potatoes started. I'm going in with 2 cups of water. That's it. That's all. Because remember, they're sweet potatoes, so you still got to boil them and let them cook. Cinnamon. I'm going in with my cinnamon. I use brown sugar as well. And I use brown sugar. This is what they're going to boil in. Okay? I don't know where my little thing went to. Here you go. I'm going to chop that up. Brown sugar. Cinnamon. I had some white sugar. Now, that's all going down inside my water. So this is how my sweet potato is going to boil. In the cinnamon, sugar, syrupy water. Yes. They're going to boil just like this until they're nice and tender. Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to the end. When I add the vanilla, then put them in a baking pan, put them in the oven. So I stirred that all up inside that water. Guess what? They're going to say, oh, they're going to be so sweet. Yes, they are, because now I'm stirred up. I stirred that. I stirred them up. I added some more sugar. So I want to make sure that the water is nice and sweet. And these are going to be some glazy yams. Some more brown sugar. And at this point, I'm not stirring up anything. A little bit more cinnamon. I like my cinnamon on my, I love cinnamon. So as much cinnamon as you want, I can't tell you. And to top it all, a whole stick of margarine. Now, if you got unsalted butter, okay, oh well, you can use that. But I don't like butter on my cinnamons. I really don't. Don't ask me why. That's gonna go on a medium heat. I'm gonna put my top on it. Let them boil. My chicken is still cooking. Guys, we come back. Hopefully the chicken will be done. Then we're going to do the next step. Put these in the oven. I'll put the broccoli on. Good Thursday night dinner in the house. Good Thanksgiving. Make a sweet potato. Okay, guys. You see I got my top of my yams. Let's look at them. And see how soft are they cooking. Ooh. Yes. They're getting soft, guys. Look at them. They're getting soft. They're not soft enough, but they're getting there. I get about another 10 minutes. They'll be nice and soft. So what I am going to do is that I'm going to dump some of this water off here. Because I might have put a little bit too much water. I should have did a cup. So normally I have a whole thing full of yams filled to the top. I could have did maybe a cup of water. I did 2. But I'm going to dump some of this water off so that it can really boil down to like a little glaze because of the sugar and everything. And but that's okay. Food is it's feel safe feel or something. You just can't go wrong with certain things. You just can't. And you can't go wrong with this recipe. They're going to come out so amazing. Again, I'm so used to having a whole pan of potatoes. But that's okay. They're doing what they need to do. The chicken is cooking. The broccoli is on. Yeah, so they're going to eat good. Thursday night, guys. We'll be back. Okay, guys. My broccoli is ready. Look at the steam coming from it. My kids want some cheese. You know, they can't eat broccoli without cheese. I'm just taking some regular sliced cheese. Just throw down in there. It's whatever. It's whatever. Turn it off, let the steam do it. Look at my chickens. They came out so good. And look at the chickens ready to eat, guys. Okay, now look at the yams. The best food is so forgiving. You know, like I told you, I added too much water. So, because I only did like 4 things of yams. So I'm used to having my yams piled to the ceiling. So, you know, honey, I don't be thinking half the time. It is what it is. But guess what? This is forgiving. A forgiving dish. I dumped off some of that juices. I let it cook. And look how they cook down so good and soft. See the cinnamon and all that stuff. We ready to just put all of this in here. I let it cook down to that little syrupy glaze. You see that syrupy glaze? Y'all can't see nothing now because look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at all that syrup. Look at the syrup came out of that made. Yes. Can't tell me. Look at that. That looks so amazing. It's like so amazing. Jesus, your love. It's got me. It takes me high. That crack fingers to the sky. Some pure vanilla. It's gonna taste vanilla. Make me bounce my head. I like that Kirk Franklin. Jump. Take a little bit of brown sugar. I know y'all say, girl, Miss T. That's why the people love my food, y'all. I make stuff taste the way it's supposed to taste. Just a little bit. In the oven, 350, about 15 minutes, guys. We're going to come back. We're going to cut the chicken, plate this food. I mean, that don't look good. We back? Okay, guys, I decided to make some gravy. I had 2 tablespoons of butter melted. I'm going to go in with about approximately 2 tablespoons of flour. Get your flour, SoulfulT flour, bomb gravy. I'm always advertise my flour, guys. And when you make a gravy, you want it to cook at least a good 2 to 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. I'm sorry, to get that gritty. You don't want that flour taste, so you want to let it cook. See how I just did that? And one thing I do with my gravy, I always like smash. Even though it's changing colors because all the seasoning that comes from my flour, right? I'm gonna go in with some water. Hey, that gonna make gravy? Yes, it is. Watch this. And I break it down. And I smash. And I'm gonna use a little bit of my chicken broth. Okay, see how I'm getting it? And I'm smashing it down. Even though I use water, you don't have to use any chicken broth because this flour is so good. See the parsley's in it and all the seeds that I use. But I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth. Just to fill it up a little bit. And I'm just going to let this get nice and thick. I'm going to let it sit. Let it marinate. And let it get thick. I don't need that much. That's all I'm making. Not a whole lot. And I'm going to let it get thick. You know, make sure you get all around the sides. I make bomb gravy. And I'll tell you, if you don't know how to make gravy, you use my flour, it's going to take you there. Okay? I might just do a video on making just gravy. Because them yams is coming out in like 2 seconds. Let this get thick. I'm going to cut that chicken. So by the time we make that plate, cut that chicken, this gravy's going to be thick. You might say, oh, that gravy loose. Honey, it's going to get thick in a matter of seconds. In a matter of seconds, what you do? In a matter of seconds, that gravy's gonna be thick. It's gonna be the way I want it. We about to plate this food. We about plating our food. Okay, guys, let's put this Thursday plate together. We're gonna start off with some broccoli. They like cheesy broccoli, so don't tell me, oh my God, Miss T, that's too cheesy. That's what they like. They like that cheesy broccoli, okay? But to sit this to the side. I don't know, I'm gonna sit stuff to the side. I need a big kitchen, big time. Okay, now, look at this. Look at them yams. They came out good. See how glazed and shiny they are? Because somebody said Thanksgiving. Good yam recipe, guys. Good yam recipe for you. Look at that. My house, when I say this house smells good, y'all don't know. You don't want to know. It's a Thursday and they eating like this. We rolling up. We got to get this chicken. Look at this chicken. Ooh. A knife and I be sharp enough. Right, got to pull. Look at that chicken. Lord, y'all want that? Look how crispy it is from the olive oil. It's nice and done. Remember how loose that gravy was? Look at that gravy. Thick. God, this is my house, my Thursday night. We're eating for dinner. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that link to get that. Hit that link to get that. Hit the link in the description to get your flour, and check out Chill With Us. Chill With Us. Order my flour. I'm telling you, when people order my flour, I don't know if they have a YouTube channel. I don't get their YouTube channel. I get their name. And she did an amazing video on my flour. Chill With Us. I'll put her link below. Guys, get this flour for Thanksgiving. Amazing gravy. You don't know how to make gravy, you don't know how to season it, this will take you to the next level. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, guys, I am out. It's Thursday. They're about to eat. Happy TGIF.